In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set out of office in New Outlook. If you want to let co-workers know that you'll be away and unavailable, the New Outlook makes it quick and simple to do using your calendar. Setting this up properly helps avoid confusion, keeps your schedule clear, and lets others know when not to expect a response from you. To begin, open Outlook on your computer and make sure you're using the new Outlook experience. Once Outlook is open, look to the navigation area and click on Calendar. This will take you to your schedule, where you can create a calendar entry for the time you'll be away. Next, click Event to create a new calendar event. This is where you'll enter the details of your out-of-office time. Start by adding a clear title. You can use something simple and easy to understand, such as Out of Office or Away from Work. Keeping the title clear makes it easier for both you and your team to recognize the purpose of the event right away. After that, add any attendees if needed. In many cases, you may not need to invite anyone, but if you want certain people to be aware of your planned time away, you can include them here. Then set the date and time for when your out-of-office period begins and ends. Be careful to choose the correct start time, end time, and duration so your calendar reflects your availability accurately. You'll also see an option that allows you to mark the event as out of office. Make sure you select that option. This is an important part of the setup because it tells Outlook to display your status appropriately during that time. It also helps others who check your calendar understand that you're not just busy, but actually away. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your out-of-office event will then appear on your calendar for the selected time period. Before you finish, it's a good idea to quickly review the event on your calendar to make sure the dates, times, and status are all correct. Even a small mistake in timing can make your availability unclear, so that quick check can be helpful. And that's it. That's how to set out of office in New Outlook. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very fast and easy, and it's a great habit to use any time you'll be away from work.